Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best La92 is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about products in its category this year, and for good reason, as it promises to revolutionize how we approach, mention product category or function, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology, user-friendly design, and unparalleled performance that aims to set a new benchmark for consumers seeking the ultimate solution for their mention-specific need or problem. Number 5. BISSELL Little Green 1400B Portable Cleaner. Join over 7 million households who trust us for their cleaning needs. We are America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. Tired of stubborn messes and stains? Our scientifically proven formula lifts and removes over 100 common messes, making cleaning stress-free. Experience the power of our triple action formula. It permanently removes stains and eliminates odors, leaving your surfaces looking and smelling like new. Clean more without interruption. The large-capacity clean water tank allows for extended cleaning sessions, so you can tackle bigger jobs with ease. Getting rid of tough stains is simple. Just spray the cleaning solution, scrub the area, and suction away the mess for a deep clean. Stop spreading messes with paper towels. Our cleaner goes deep to remove stains and odors from beneath the surface for a truly clean result. Feel good about your purchase. Every BISSELL product supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation in its mission to save homeless pets. What we like. This portable cleaner is your go-to for tackling everyday spills and stains. Its powerful suction and specialized tools reach deep into carpets and upholstery. If you have pets or kids and need a quick, effective solution for unexpected messes, this is the one for you. What people say. So far, I've had 100% success cleaning up cat vomit, dog bile, and mud. These stains were cleaned off a wool throw rug, nylon polyester blend carpet, and polyester upholstery, respectively. The machine is relatively light to carry around and is compact to stow away when finished. I liked that the electrical cord was very long, which made it easy to use in rooms with only a few outlets. Number 4. Sunny Fashion Girls Color Block Dress. Introducing a vibrant dress with a unique color block design. It's perfect for making a fashion statement. A delicate bow tie adds a touch of charm and sweetness to this lovely outfit. It's an adorable detail she'll adore. Whether it's an everyday adventure or a special party, this dress is a fantastic choice. It's designed for comfort and style. Find the perfect fit for your growing fashionista. It's available in sizes ranging from 4 to 14. Elevate her wardrobe with this beautiful and versatile dress. It's the ideal blend of fun and fashion for any event. What we like. This dress offers a fun and stylish look for any occasion. The vibrant color blocking and cute bow tie make it stand out. If you're looking for a comfortable yet fashionable outfit for your child for parties or everyday wear, this is a great choice. What people say. This dress is almost like a costume. Yet, it is so appropriate for national holidays. Truly, this dress is more than wonderful, the fabric is perfect, and it exudes elegance and luxury. This is beautiful. It's classy and cute. When you don't want frills and lace but still darn adorable. This is that. Number 3. Panasonic WES9068 PC Replacement Razor Blades, 2-pack. Ensure your Panasonic shaver performs at its best with these genuine replacement blades. Designed for a precise fit, they guarantee a smooth and comfortable shave every time. Over time, blades can dull, leading to a less effective shave. Replace yours with these new inner blades to restore the original cutting performance of your device. These are high-quality inner blades, specifically the WES9068 PC model. They are crafted to deliver the sharp, clean cut you expect from your Panasonic shaver. These blades are compatible with a wide range of Panasonic wet-dry shavers, including popular models like ES8103, ES8109, and S8161. Check the full compatibility list to ensure it works with yours. Replacing your shaver's inner blades is simple and quick. Enjoy a superior shaving experience with these easy-to-install replacements. This pack includes 2 replacement inner blades, offering excellent value. Keep a spare on hand so you're always ready for a perfect shave. What we like. Keep your shaver performing like new with these precision replacement blades. They are designed to perfectly fit specific Panasonic models, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. If your current blades are dull or worn, these will restore optimal performance. What people say. After buying these new blades, wow, it is just like new again. So easy to pull off old blades and snap in the new. Works like a charm. Shaves well and smooth. No noticeable difference from the name brand. Number 2. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our Vitamin C Serum, a potent blend designed to revitalize your complexion. It's formulated to bring out your skin's natural radiance. Combat the visible signs of aging with this advanced formula. It works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother look. Tired of dark spots? This serum is crafted to visibly improve their appearance, revealing a more even and uniform skin tone. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, it deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Experience a supple and healthy feel after each use. Gentle yet effective, this serum is suitable for all skin types. Enjoy its benefits regardless of your skin's unique needs. Incorporate this brightening formula into your daily routine. It's your secret weapon for achieving a luminous and youthful glow. What we like. This facial serum is packed with antioxidants to revitalize your skin. It targets common signs of aging and environmental damage, leaving your complexion brighter and smoother. If you're looking to improve the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles and achieve a more radiant glow, this serum is ideal. What people say. This serum hydrates your skin without causing any irritation. It glides on so smooth and soaks into your skin. My stubborn dark spots are fading and my overall complexion is so dewy. This serum provides healthy nourishment and radiance. It absorbs immediately and is also great under foundation. With consistent use, I saw gradual improvements in overall brightness and skin tone. It's not a fast or dramatic product, but it does provide steady, subtle results over time. Number 1. Panasonic Shaver Arc 345 Power Cord. Ensure your Panasonic shaver always has the power it needs with this reliable charging cord. It's designed to keep your grooming routine uninterrupted. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Panasonic shaver models, including the Arc 3, Arc 4, and Arc 5 series. Check the list to ensure it's the right fit for yours. Featuring overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and over-temperature protection, it provides a safe and secure charging experience for your device. Enjoy the convenience of an extra-long 4.9 feet, 1.5 meters, power cord, giving you more flexibility when charging your shaver. This power supply has been tested and validated to work seamlessly with your Panasonic shaver, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Simply plug it in and let it charge. It's an easy and effective way to keep your shaver ready for use whenever you need it. What we like. Ensure your Panasonic shaver always has power with this reliable charger. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of Arc 3, Arc 4, and Arc 5 models, featuring a long cord for convenience. If you've lost your original charger or need a backup, this offers a safe and effective solution. What people say. Quality replacement charging adapter. Excellent replacement for the original. Perfectly fits and charges it up quite quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.